Hey, can you help me unload the dishwasher, please? Okay. I wonder if you remember where these go. Do you remember where these go? Remember, it's been a while. Yeah, nice one there. Okay. Got these big spoons. Spoons go in there. Let's try this. Big spoons. What about forks? Yeah. Okay. And spoons. Spoons go there. Okay, listen. Can you finish this up? I'll be right back.
Okay.
You finish up. I'll be right back. Wow, I can see that you've got some of the forks done. You're doing a really good job. Not much left. Keep going with the spoons and the knives. Good job. I'll be right back.
Adam, you still have some left that you forgot.
Hey, can I see your shirt? Let's see. Let's see here.
Okay.
I see you already put all the forks away. It's okay. It's okay. You already put all the forks away. You still have knives and spoons. I know you can do it. I know you can finish it up. Zachy, go take the camera from Jill real quick so you can videotape me home. Jill, come here with me. I'm gonna see if you can find this. I'll tell us you finished. You're doing great. You're almost done. Got a couple more things. You're all done!
No, Adam.
No.
You did that all by yourself.
Put all the silverware away? Thank you. And you even got the knives put away in that drawer over there? I'm so proud of you. Can you believe that, Jill?
Yeah, that's amazing. Adam, you even closed it all, but you remembered to do that.
Close the door too?
Yeah.
High five.
Awesome, Adam.
Thank you for helping me unload the dishwasher. Good. All right, thank you, Zach.
What is this mouth thing?